Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this video we will see how to render and use a template by using the shortcut method. There is a method called Django shortcuts to import that render. Now we will see earlier video we have seen that how to call and how to create a template by using the templates, seeing and viewing the data from the model, and this video we will showing that by using the shortcuts, using the rendering only we will see here. See, I am here Django.shortcuts import render and all movies. This is the common for the things, and here this is the one line only I am prepared here, all movies and the content, and written there is a no HTTP response. This is the render only. It's a rendering, in the sense it's a rendering, a pulling a request based on the request. The path of the templates, as we know that earlier earlier video you may observe it and see that the index.html and the content is what are the movies are loading into this. Now we will check this, the output. Yep, the downloads here, there detailed view is coming, and we'll try to add here that index page for if any movies occurred we will see of our shortcut. All my movies I can see here by loading. The shortcut method is also working fine. All my movies are coming over here. The list it will be popular. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment of your views. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.